Our job during Operation Iraqi Freedom was basically to protect these two oil platforms that are about 13 to 14 miles off the coast of Iran and Iraq. We were stationed there for about 30 days at a time, helping Iraq with its economic stability. These were crucial high-value targets. My name is Kaylene Carter. I am a 5 out of 5 medical student, meaning it's my last year of medical school, and I'm originally from Beltsville, Maryland, a suburb of Washington, D.C. When you sign up to go into the Navy, you kind of write this blank check. I knew I wanted to be a surface warfare officer because I wanted to get out and be an officer right away and working in a team environment to perform missions around the world. Having an environment where you're in a minority, like only 20% women, that can be tough too, because you can be looked at as somebody who is weaker, and you know, that's something you have to overcome from day one. You kind of have to prove yourself a lot as a woman in the Navy. A bug was planted in my head when I was on my ship and seeing the hospital corpsmen helping people. I loved that you could see directly the person that you're impacting. You know, you're touching somebody's life. Can you take a deep breath in and out through your mouth? And again. Very good. 4 more times. When I was on my 3rd year rotation in ophthalmology, I really became enthralled with ophthalmology and the work that they do. I really clicked with one of the doctors there at the VA hospital, who is a corneal wound expert. His name is Dr. Myung. In addition, he was getting a grant from the DoD for military service members who have like blast trauma with these totally destructive wounds in their corneas, and that's what launched my project in corneal wound healing. I was lucky enough to have the GI Bill pay for part of my education, but there was still a large amount that I'd have to figure out how to pay for on my own. And luckily enough, Stanford had some great financial aid options, and by the generosity of donors, I was able to have my medical education a lot more manageable. Usually when a patient finds out I was in the military too, they light up and ask me what I did in the Navy, feeling a little bit better about the person who's providing them care, realizing that we were in similar shoes and have been through similar experiences in the military.